Hello, I'm Captain AHS. The internet is an amazing place to explore, but just like in real life, we need to know how to stay safe while we're online. So, how can we protect ourselves in this digital world?
Baba, while I was playing my new game, something popped up, asking for my name and email. I wasn't sure what to do.
Good job not answering it, Saro. You know, just like you wouldn't give your name or address to a stranger outside, you shouldn't share those details online either. Not everyone online is as friendly as they seem.
So, it's like when I avoid talking to strangers at the park?
Exactly. The internet is like a huge park with lots of people. Some people are nice, but some are not. That's why we only share private information with people we know and trust.
What counts as private information?
Private information includes your name, address, phone number, where you go to school, or even where you live. We keep all of that to ourselves. If a game or website asks for these things, it's best to ask me or Mama first.
If I see something like that again, should I just come to you?
Yes, exactly. Always ask if you're unsure. And remember, the internet can be fun and helpful, but we need to be smart about using it. Keeping our personal details safe helps protect us.
Mama, this ad's just popped up on my video, saying I can win a prize if I click here. Should I click it?
Good that you asked, Mina. Ads like that can sometimes be tricky. You should be very careful with what you click on. Some ads are just there to make you buy things, but others can take you to places that aren't safe.
Really? I thought all the ads were just about toys and games.
Not always. Some ads are like tricks, like when someone tries to make something sound really fun or important, but it's not good for you. If you click on the wrong one, it can sometimes bring viruses to the computer or make it act strangely.
Oh no, I don't want to break my TV.
Don't worry, that's why we always double-check before clicking. If you're not sure, it's always best to ask me or Baba. And it's also helpful to look for little things like a lock sign on websites. It means the site is safe.
So, if I see a pop-up or ad, I won't click it unless I'm sure it's safe.
That's right. Always be cautious when something pops up. A simple click can sometimes cause big problems. So just close to that ad.
Dua, who are you chatting with?
Just my friend from university. But I sometimes get messages from people I don't know. They say they want to be friends, but I ignore them.
Good. You should only talk to people you know online, like your friends from school or family. There are some people online who aren't who they say they are. They might pretend to be friendly, but we can't trust everyone on the internet.
Yeah, I thought about that. I didn't want to take any risks.
That's smart. You can always block people you don't know or tell Baba and Mama. And if anything feels strange or uncomfortable, it's always good to talk about it. We need to stay safe while chatting online, just like we do outside.
So, just like in real life, we need to be careful with who we trust online too. I'll only talk to people I really know.
Exactly. Stick to your real-life friends and family online, and you'll be safe.
Excellent work, team! You've learned all about internet safety. Now, let's see how much you remember with the final quiz. Which of these is safe to share online? Options: A. Your favorite hobby. B. Your home address. The correct answer is your favorite hobby. What should you do if you see a pop-up ad asking you to click for a prize? Options: ask an adult if it's safe. B. Ignore the pop-up and click on it later. The correct answer is ask an adult if it's safe. Is it okay to talk to someone online if you don't know them? Options: oh wait. Yes, as long as they seem friendly. Oh B. No, only talk to people you know. The correct answer is B. No, only talk to people you know. What's a sign that a website is safe to use? The correct answer is A. What should you do if you get a strange message online? The correct answer is A. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll uncover the importance of staying safe on the internet. Remember, the internet is like a big playground, fun and full of possibilities, but staying safe means following the rules. So, keep your privacy protected, be kind, and think before you click.